Before you begin, carefully install the shock in the dyno and cycle it a few times to lube and break free any seals and moving parts to aid in disassembly. Remove the shock from the dyno and release all air pressure. Place the shock back on the dyno, cycle the shock a few times, then carefully unthread the air sleeve. Remove the shock from the dyno and fully remove the air sleeve. Now place the shock back in the dyno and test the shock's damping adjustments. As you turn the compression adjuster from lightest to medium to firmest damper settings, cycle the shock through its full stroke to feel the slight yet obvious differences in resistance. Perform the same process on the rebound adjuster, going from lightest or open setting to firmest or closed setting. The difference between the two should be very obvious. Unlike on the bike, on the dyno you will be able to feel the subtle nuances that comprise a properly working shock. The platform should feel consistent through the entirety of the shock stroke. Any air gaps you feel might indicate a faulty shock. Issues that are difficult, if not impossible, to feel when the shock is installed on the bicycle with its coil spring or charged air spring. Place the air sleeve back on and tighten by hand.